Hello, kids! Can you guess today's animal?
Yes!
Let's get started.
Cat!
Good. One cat.
Dog!
Excellent. Two dogs.
Elephants!
Great job. Three elephants.
Tigers!
Well done. Four tigers.
Giraffes!
Fantastic. Five giraffes.
Zebras!
Awesome. Six zebras.
Monkeys!
Super. Seven monkeys.
Bears!
Brilliant. Eight bears.
Hippos!
Excellent. Nine hippos.
Kangaroos!
Wow, you are so smart. 10 kangaroos. Very well done, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Kids, like, share, and subscribe. Mummy Teacher Kids on.